new to our channel, my partner Adam and I and our dog Twyla have been travelling around Australia for the last 3 years. We mostly travel in our converted Ford Transit camper van and occasionally take our Suzuki Jimny out tent camping, and we don't even mind doing a few Airbnbs in between, large and small. So for everything camp cooking, paid and free camping locations, camping tips and tricks, and the good old country bakery, you've come to the right place. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe and come travel Australia one town at a time. Now you know who we are, let's get back to the episode. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm King Dino.
I'm Mrs. Twyla.
And on this episode, we'll be talking about the year that just was.
And the year that is ahead.
All our plans. Now this year, we managed to release, I think it was 53 Sunday episodes, and also I've got my stats here. I've got 57 midweek episodes. They didn't always fall on a Wednesday. There was a few random ones. So all up, we did 110 episodes this year. How do you feel, Adam? Exhausted?
Tired. No.
A lot happened this year too. So we had, my mum was really sick for pretty much half the year. She's better now, she's feeling great, and everything's looking good. So going into the new year with, healthier mum. Adam had a promotion at work, so there was a lot of hard work there going in. So just trying to find the balance between our making these videos and our working jobs that we do full time, Monday to Friday. And then also the YouTube channel, and Adam's, do you want to share your news, which I think everyone knows anyway?
I think a few viewers knew. So my mum passed away earlier on the year as well, so that was obviously an interruption to, I guess, work and YouTube work.
Yeah,
so.
But in saying all that, through all these, I suppose, just real life issues, we've still managed to release 2 episodes every single week for you guys at home. Whew,
Also for us.
And for us, sorry. Yes, of course. But the main thing, I suppose, this is when we do have some news for you guys. We have decided, big drum roll, this will be our very last Wednesday episode ever, or maybe not ever. We'll explain it a bit better. But yeah, we're going to throw in the towel on the Wednesday episode. So we're only going to be doing Sunday episodes at 5 p.m. every single week next year.
And that would still be our standard length, whether it's probably, half an hour to 45 minutes roughly-ish, maybe more, depending on what's on for that particular episode as well. So they're stock standard. It's just the Wednesdays that we're going to be kind of cutting out. That way you have a bit more work-life balance.
Free up some time for us.
Yeah, just trying to balance obviously your personal lives and seeing family and friends and work commitments and house commitments and all that jazz. And I think also for the viewers, for you guys as well, not having to feel you have to jump on, every Wednesday as well. It's like that's obviously your time, which gets taken into consideration too.
But that brings us to another point. Make sure you do subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, because in saying that, we're getting rid of the Wednesday episodes. Occasionally we will have a sporadic video that will come out, and you won't know about it unless you are subscribed. So subscribe to the channel after this episode or during this episode if you haven't already, so it'll give you a warning. But with these episodes that are sporadic, we're not going to be doing any lives on them, so you can watch them whenever you want. Hopefully watch them straight away. But yeah, so we will occasionally have those special little episodes here and there, but we're just not going to commit to every Wednesday at 7 o'clock with a live chat. So the year ahead, we have got a few different things coming up that we would love to talk to you about now. One of them is the next 2 Sunday episodes will be a look over the whole year. So I've literally broken down every single Sunday episode into a 1 to 1.5 minute video. So you can imagine how much that's added up to.
Well, it's actually a video. It's actually just snippets. So in his episode, there's going to be basically, say, 26 or so breakdowns. like snippets of a getaway.
And it'll be on this Sunday and next Sunday at 5 o'clock if you want to tune in to see that. It's going to be a great tool especially if you're new to the channel, or even if you've been watching for a while and you're like, oh, what was that episode in this place, that place? So get a pen and paper next Sunday at 5 p.m. or next 2, and you can write down all the places that you get reminded of in these episodes of places that you want to visit. So we literally going to be doing every single one. It's taken me hours and hours to edit this, and a lot of going through a lot of footage to get it all done, and a lot of talking. So I hope you guys enjoy the next 2 Sundays. It's going to be great reliving the whole year. Adam and I are going to really enjoy reflecting back on the year, I think, and seeing what we got up to, even though it just feels like one big blur.
One big whirlwind. And that'll have and then in that, the episode will have little snippets of highlights as well. So it's not going to have everything, and obviously if you find something that captures your interest, you're going to go back through our back catalogue and then search that episode to see the full length, which will obviously include the more in-depth information of what we had in that town, location or attraction or area.
Also in the new year, Adam will be looking at designing some new merch for you guys. So if you want to check it out, obviously you can get all our merch as it is, and that will all stay there. But you'll be coming up with a few new designs.
That's right.
We are looking into caps, but hold off. We just want to trial them first and make sure that they're good quality. All our stuff on our merch site is good quality, and that's what we want. We don't want to be sending you stuff that isn't going to last the test of time.
Mm-hmm.
The next bit of news is we're going to be going back and revisiting some places we've been to already, and there is a reason why. Adam, do you want to explain why?
Yep, so when we first started our channel, so we're going back 4 years ago, roughly. 4 years ago. So the initial places that probably in the first 6 months to a year, there was some place that we went to where once we hit 1,000 subscribers with YouTube, there was regulations you had to follow. So with that, there had been some audio or some music, I guess,
removed
obligations we had to follow. And then with that, we had to make a choice to either remove some aspects of music, which actually cut out some of our talking, or replace it with music. And we decided to actually keep the episode, just so you can still get a visual representation of what we had done. But there's aspects of those older ones where it's cut out. So we want to go back now and visit some of those locations we enjoyed. One, to go back and see things you might have missed out on or spend some more time doing at that location. And also to go back and to capture those moments again. And then we'll get a full episode that's going to be watched and enjoyed from start to end.
Because some of our first places we visited were amazing places, and it just feels a bit sad going back and watching them without sound or music over our voices. So it's just going to be great to go back and revisit those places, show you what's new in these towns also. But yeah, some of you might not have even seen these first year of us doing our van life. So if you do want to, over these Christmas holidays, go back and check out some of these old videos. Like I said, sometimes it can be a little bit annoying without the music
audio
and stuff. But go back and check them out. But hopefully we can revisit some of those places again. But we will have plenty of new places also.
And like Dean was saying, with the new year ahead, we're also looking at doing a cookbook as well. So we'll start spending some time over these Christmas holidays, putting that together. So capturing some of our favourite, and I think also some of your favourite too, hopefully, recipes and meals that we had made on our camping and adventures.
Yes, so I'm excited about this cookbook when it does finally come out. We can't put a time or a date on it, but with hopefully we're giving up Wednesdays. It gives us a little bit more time to create these different things, and maybe even put a little bit more quality, like into our episodes. Give us a bit more time to put a bit of
finesse.
What is it? Quality, not quantity. So the other thing is so our aim, as you probably already know, is to hit 10,000 and then have a meet and greet.
Yeah, so that's subscribers. So that's our next major goal.
Yeah, so 10,000. So if you please help us by spreading the word and getting people, maybe over Christmas, you can tell them all about there's a plane going over our house. Get them to subscribe to the channel, and as soon as we hit that 10,000, we'll be organising a meet and greet, and we can't wait to meet you guys.
Yeah. And also with the year ahead, we're going to continue on writing for GoRV magazines. It's Australia's premier recreational magazine, which is a digital magazine you can check out online. So just Google GoRV, go to the magazine section and you'll see our monthly article.
Next year we'll continue making our episodes about small little towns that you can visit, Airbnbs, going out now that the weather's getting better, going out in our tent and our jibney. So you'll be seeing all those places, going to Adam's favourite bakeries. I like how I'm blaming him. So yeah, you'll be seeing all that. We won't be changing our material at all, pretty much. It'll be the same thing.
Similar kind of style.
Yeah. And we'll be visiting some of the caravan camping shows and doing videos, maybe some more personal ones, going in and checking out new vans that are coming out onto the market. So that is the year ahead. Now, we definitely should get into the thank you side. we want to just thank everybody who watches our channel week in, week out. It means so much to us. We've come... Sorry, I had a moment. You talk for a bit.
Yeah, like Dean was just saying, so we're our supporters, our viewers, our followers, our patrons, everyone who has been with us from the start and continue to be with us and follow our journey and our adventures. The three of us with the family, also Dean, going solo on the odd getaway. Yeah, thank you for your support, your messaging, your following, your emails, reaching out, your merchandise purchases, your Patreon contributions. It all helps us out. It all keeps us going, and helps us get away. And then in turn, we can then obviously record all that, film all that, share all that with everyone.
Yeah, I still can't talk.
And in the community too, there's also
we just have such a beautiful community, and I just appreciate it. Well, we all appreciate it, and just the effort that goes behind the scenes, which you've all seen. We did that episode this year showing you what goes into this. And it's just so much work, but we know it's appreciated. We know you guys look forward to seeing these videos. So, yeah, it's hard work.
So thank you guys. We appreciate it. And the year ahead is exciting. We don't even know what we're actually going to be doing in the year ahead. In respect of location-wise, we don't even know. We want to have a few weeks off work, get away somewhere, like we try to do annually. We don't know where it's going to be yet. So we don't know. New South Wales, SA, having Twyla is there. Obviously, that's a strong consideration. So that obviously helps dictate our direction, what we're going to do. National parks are not always dog friendly, so that can cause a bit of decision-making conflict, I guess you could say, in respect of that. But we're excited though. It's definitely a year ahead that we're obviously going to try to make the best of our time and make some more memories going forward.
So this year we're aiming to get over the 10,000 subscribers, like you said, and then some. And also we're just looking forward to bringing you new places and new ideas, new camping tips, everything and anything we can to bring this channel and go strong. And hopefully one day we'll be doing this full time, and we won't have to worry about our full-time jobs. We can just get on there and be filming content for you guys, and then hopefully by that day we'll be bringing back Wednesdays. Woo! So it's going to be a great year. I'm looking forward to it. Sorry for getting upset, but I'm very passionate about this channel. And
I guess being in the season, it is the holiday season, Christmas season. From Dean, I, and Twyla, we wish everyone a safe and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Drive safe on the roads, spend some time with your loved ones.
Yeah, get out there, guys. Happy adventures, and we look forward to sharing with you over the next 2 Sundays, like I said, at 5 p.m. The whole year that was. We're doing the first 6 months in the first episode, the second 6 months in the second episode, and we just hope you enjoy that, and we will see you in the new year otherwise. So,
yeah.
Merry
Thanks,
Christmas.
guys. Merry Christmas.
See you Sunday at 5 p.m.
See ya.
See you guys.